everyone, it's day 2. No, it's not. It's day 4. The day just began. We left from house of her friends, grandparents, and they're really nice. So we played nice card games last night. Eliza really wants to drive.
That's an Eliza thing.
We are officially in Old Sacramento now.
What a cool aesthetic. Like, not much is open. So this is right by a water. We're in Old Sacramento.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes. Slow dance on a New York City high-rise. You and me on top of the world, and I'm feeling like it was only ever you.
Hey, Steven.
Going
What do you think about the place and the ship?
That's a cool courtyard down there.
Can you imagine yourself in such a hotel?
It's a hotel?
It's a hotel?
Oh, that'd be sick. I think it moves.
That's where you'll always be. That's where you'll always be a part of me.
I believe in you.
I'm not sure if I even really know.
Get us past this railroad track.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was looking around. Lunchtime! It's bigger than my face. There's goodness falling out of it already. Here we go.
What?
There's a lot of flavors going on.
Was it good? That food was amazing, wasn't it? Oh my goodness.
Incredible.
You found it on Instagram? Can't stress enough how much this is the best boba tea I've ever had in my life.
Hey, I want them to dry.
It's been 4 days and they're not dry yet.
Steven thought a dog was a chicken.
I was looking at the road, so I didn't realize the dog was a chicken. The chicken was a dog.
That's lame. Steven's lame. He thought the dog was a chicken. There's no excuse. We keep passing signs that say Chinese camp. And I can't think of what it could mean. Like, it sounds like a concentration camp, and then Steven joked about leaving me there. I guess I'll see ya when I see ya.
Toast to the world to be lost on the way. 'Cause the dreams bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.
I take back everything bad I ever said about California. This place is beautiful.
Baby, you're the soundtrack in my head. Playing like a song that I won't forget.
Hey everyone. We're in Yosemite!
Stay up with me tonight.
We have more to see.
It just feels so small here.
Like the moon comes through every night.
It looked like the movie Free Solo.
Yeah.
The documentary Free Solo, and had no idea it was filmed in Yosemite.
Alright everyone. We parked.
Going on the trail.
Where's she going?
Pictures? Hi, we're in Yosemite.
You've never been to a national park?
I don't think so.
Dang.
Maybe in Australia, but that was forever ago.
What?
Give me look through my.
Eliza wishes she could appreciate it more.
Yeah, I wish I could appreciate this every day. It's like beauty. It's inspiring.
It is. That sunset. Beautiful.
That view was simply unreal. Oh my goodness. There's just something about beauty that lifts the spirit.
Arrived at our hotel. Palm tree and everything. You ready?
Ready! My password, so I'm ready.
You write it down? Ow.